Picture a bustling city, a hive of activity. Now imagine the motherboard of your computer is that city, and the integrated circuits, the citizens. These circuits, incredibly tiny yet intricate, are the lifeblood of the technology we interact with daily. Each circuit, like a specialized worker, performs a specific task, from memory storage to processing inputs. At the heart of each circuit is the silicon chip. Silicon, a semiconductor, controls the flow of electricity, much like traffic lights manage the flow of vehicles. Transistors within the circuit, acting as switches, control this flow, dictating the complex language of ones and zeros that is binary code. This is the grand symphony of technology, where every note is crucial, every instrument vital. The integrated circuit, a humble hero tirelessly working to make our digital world possible. Remember, every click, every swipe, every message sent owes its existence to these micro marvels. The unsung heroes of our connected world, the integrated circuits.